Some of the most in-demand tech roles we would have at the moment is front-end and full-stack engineering for our critical business units such as workplace investing, digital assets and of course asset management technology. And of course we have some exciting news that we're expanding our customer contact centre where we would be looking for system and data engineering roles, site reliability, DevOps and of course delivery and people management roles as well.
I started my career in Boston working for Fidelity as a graduate software engineer. So I spent a number of years in Fidelity working in various engineering roles. Since I've joined Fidelity Ireland, I've had again multiple roles. Now I'm moving into a new role in Fidelity, so I'm joining the Enterprise Customer Contact Centre and we're starting a team here in Galway growing from 0 to 40 people, so that's really exciting. And I think that's probably why I have enjoyed working in technology and having a career here, is that it's constantly changing. It's constantly evolving. There are new challenges that you have to face every day around the corner. So it's just a really exciting career to be in.
The key skills that we'd be looking for these roles would be tech proficiency. So to ensure that you know your craft and you can just understand all the best practices around engineering standards and designs. We look for critical thinking and complex kind of problem solving. At the end of the day, we don't always have the answers. So we're looking for people that will help us get those answers. And then the soft skills are really important to us, like communications, leadership, teamwork, and especially a can-do attitude. That attitude brings people along with you. It showcases resiliency and perseverance. And from our perspective, that means that we will actually get to see the programs through to the end.
I think number one is the ability to demonstrate your technical proficiency. Be able to show, whether it's in an interview or on your CV, your experience in that technology that they're looking for. Everybody has a strength. So whether that's a technical proficiency, whether it's one of the softer skills like building relationships, be aware of what that is and be able to show and demonstrate how that is going to help you in your new role. While your technology skills are very, very important, it's also just as important to be able to show that you've got a positive mindset, that you're curious, that you want to learn new things. And then I would say one last thing is be sure you spend the time to tailor your CV to the job you're applying for and put the skills that they're looking for and how you have those skills or how you can demonstrate that front and centre.
My first programming language in college was actually Fortran 77, so obviously I'd need to keep up to date in terms of technologies like that. So the advice I would give to people to stay experienced is to look at the technology that's coming for the future, whether it's industry publications like yourself or it's following blogs. Here in Fidelity Ireland we actually have learning time, so we actually go and learn off our learning platforms. There's lots of access for us to do that. But I think at the end of the day people need to own their own journey and make sure that they're staying ahead of the game and understand what the advancements are coming for the technology of the future to just stay in a career like this.